everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome to a world of endless fashion possibilities. We are happy to present an amazing collection of short hair styling ideas that are perfect for women of all ages. Prepare to be amazed as we showcase a wide range of stunning haircuts, including pixie cuts, pop hairstyles, and more. These captivating hairstyles will make you feel confident and look absolutely fabulous. So join me today as we explore our 50 unique haircut ideas in a variety of beautiful colors. Whether you are from the USA, UK, Canada, Poland, Morocco, Germany, Mexico, Spain, Italy, Switzerland, or from anywhere else in the world, these hairstyles are suitable for everyone who wants to stay on the top of the latest summer fashion trends. Greetings beautiful ladies, welcome back to our YouTube channel, your ultimate destination for all things short hair. In today's video, we have an extraordinary collection of short hair styling ideas that are sure to inspire and empower you. From sleek pixie cuts to trendy pop hairstyles, we have handpicked a variety of options to suit all hair types and styling preferences. So without any further ado, let's dive into the world of short hairs. When it comes to short hairstyles, the possibilities are endless. In this video, we have selected more than 50 different haircut ideas that bond versatility and creativity. You'll be captivated by the range of styles, colors, and lengths, all designed to enhance your natural features and make a bold statement. One of the highlights of this video is the mesmerizing pixie cut. Pixie haircuts are incredibly versatile and can be customized to suit any face, shape, or personality. Pixie haircuts are famous for the ability to exude confidence and elegance. Whether you want for a sophisticated look or a more playful look, there is a pixie cut that will perfectly complement your features. These short hairstyles not only offer modern appeal but also provide the benefit of low maintenance, making them a great choice for busy people who still wants to look their best. As you dunk yourself in this video, you will be captivated by the stunning range of colors that can transform your short hairs into a true work of art. From classic shades like black and warm browns, the color options are limitless. Experimenting with different hair colors can be a fun and exciting way to express your individuality and stand out from the crowd. In addition to the variety of styles and colors, we are happy to present some amazing transformative haircuts in this video. Witness the magic as we showcase women with long hair to up a bold and confident short haircut. Before and after transformations serve as a powerful reminder of the impact a haircut can have on a person's overall appearance and self-esteem. We sincerely hope that you are enjoying the video so far. Remember to watch until the end, as we have many more stunning hairstyles to share with you. If you are finding inspiration from these short haircut ideas, please take a moment to leave a comment in the comment section below. We had love to hear which styles resound you with the most and how they inspire you to adopt a new look. If you have not done yet, we invite you to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell. By doing this, you will never miss out on our latest videos, which are packed with amazing hairstyling ideas, helpful tips, and informative tutorials. We are dedicated to being your go-to source for all things short hair, and we are excited to share more amazing content with you in the future. Thank you so much for joining us today on our YouTube channel. We sincerely hope that this video showcase of beautiful and inspiring short hair styling has inspired and empowered you. Remember, your hair is your powerful accessory, and embracing different styles is a wonderful way to express your creativity and embrace your unique identity. So until we meet again, keep supporting those fabulous short haircuts and continue to radiate your beauty inside and out. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy watching the video. And until next time, take care and stay stylish. See you in the next video.